Build with patience. Don't break with emotion. Do not destroy in one angry moment what took years to build.
In tarot, this powerful lesson connects with Three of Pentacles, Temperance, and the Star. Three of Pentacles says, build with effort, teamwork, learning, and better communication.
Temperance says, what patience can repair, anger should not destroy. The Star says, some things are not broken. They are asking for healing.
Before you quit a relationship, a dream, a skill, or your own growth, ask, can this be rebuilt better?
Do not break your dream because of one difficult chapter.
Find reasons to build, because what is repaired with wisdom often becomes stronger than before.